Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be filling a box full of British surprises and goodies to my older brother in Korea. It is his birthday and I'm now making it tradition to send him a box every single year for his birthday. So let's go on a trip and put everything in, and I will put their reactions and them opening the box at the end of the video, so stay tuned. I know he loves collecting shirts. It's got the Derby Ram on. It's just a nice little grey and black shirt, and then this one's really nice. I don't know whether it's men's or women's because it's got lilac on it, but I thought it was really nice. So yes, Emirates, Adidas, I don't know what this logo is. Don't come at me, but yeah, they're gonna go in the package. Before I go into the big wide world, I need to put some makeup on to feel a little bit more human, but first we're gonna water the plants. Let's go! We have made it! Yoo-hoo! Ooh, you're coming home with me. A few years ago, these were 55p. And of course, now that I bought the shopping home, the cats want to harass me. So let's get started on our haul. First of all, I got some of these Walker's prawn cocktail crisps. They were only £1.60 because they were on offer, so snagged some of these. Packet of Hula Hoops original. Packet of Heinz beans. These are the snap pots, so you can snap them off and put them in the microwave. I was going to get him a few tins, but this is the box that I'm going to be using, so I didn't want it to be too heavy, so it's not too expensive to ship. Some Hobnob flapjacks. I thought these were a little bit different because they're McVitie's, which is very British, and flapjacks again are quite British, so yes, I'm sure he'll like these. Now for the most important things. Do you like my tote bag? 2 of these tea cakes, because these are his favourite tea cakes ever. Milky Bar buttons. Again, I think they're quite British. So, no cherry, not for you. Oh, this cat wants to come with. You want to go and see us up on in Korea, don't you?
Okay. It's not going to be done beautifully. We're very happy when we saw the little bag on the doorstep.
Yeah.
Insurance, okay, this one, let's have a look. Thank you. Oh god, these ones.
Yeah.
I've not had for so long. Thank you. Oh my god, hula hoops, I can't believe that.
Yeah. Oh wow.
OMG. Chintanita, you don't know
This
these
looks so yummy.
hobnobs. Oh
This
my
looks
god.
so yummy. Like
That's too good. I don't know about that. I don't know if you're gonna try it. I think it's just for me.
No way.
Guys, yeah, this one. Of course, the
Of
best.
course, I know
the
this
best.
one.
This one.
Someone really loves this. I
Yeah,
don't know.
Tunnocks tea cakes,
Yeah.
the best. From the heart of Scotland to here. Absolutely fantastic. Oh, the
Yes.
handmade.
Yeah.
Ah, that's so nice.
This
And
is like handmade.
yeah, Mara as well.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Mm.
Oh my god, I used to cry to my mom for these ones.
Yeah.
Milky Bar buttons. They're so good. Oh.
This one.
Ah. Oh my god, no way.
What is this?
She doesn't know this. Heinz. Thank you so much. I've not seen these in Korea at all. I can't wait. I think these are just for me. I don't think you're
What
allowed.
is that?
Secret.
Secret bumbu.
Secret boom boo. The boom boo is very, very secret.
Ah,
There we
it's a
go.
t-shirt.
Let's see this one. OMG. This one. This one.
Football
This
or
one.
not?
Derby County. Fantastic. Thank you so much. This one is awesome. It means a lot.
Thank you so much, Mariam. You are so kind. Oh my god.
Oh, Benzema. I see the name on the back.
Oh my
Karim Benzema. Hey, there we go.
God. Bye
Bye-bye.